Do you need life advice? So did I. Welcome to my tutorial of how to change your life. Yes, you. Settle in, settle down. Just follow these simple steps in the next 5 minutes and you too could be just like me. But not me, you. But you too. No, that's Pokemon. I've researched so you don't have to. 1. Appearance. Change it. I opted for bleaching the shit out of my hair, dabbing more holes into my lovely ears. Don't recommend. And shoving contact lenses into my eyeballs. And now I look like a completely different person. Although if you haven't seen me before, I probably wouldn't look like a different person. I'm just a random person. 2/3. Health and exercise. It's a shock. I acquired a deficiency. Conditioned myself to like broccoli. Felt like I was bulking, eating chicken and broccoli. Nope, I'm just weak. Fatigue. I hate that. You can choose what you would like to torture yourself with. No chocolate, no cheese, no dairy. I guess they're both dairy, aren't they? No bread, no potatoes. You decide what you want to be tortured with for the next few weeks before you ultimately revert back to pasta and potatoes, as it should be. It's the human way. Oh yeah, and exercise. I went for the hula hoop and some weights. As you can see, that's going absolutely swimmingly. Definitely going through with that. 4, maybe 5. Apparently, learning a language and also doing positive affirmations is meant to just broaden your horizon. I've combined the two for Spanish positivity. I thought, you know, Dora the Explorer, she is my idol. I don't think she's dead. I think they just reanimated her. Me encanta la sopa and, hoy, definitivamente odio la Navidad. And I hope that's right. I can feel my life changing. My spirits lifting. The D letter. Sleep. Sleep was another one. I have nothing. Nada. 0. I have no advice. I just like to stare at the ceiling, slip slowly into the abyss till my body bores itself and I pass out. Kind of like, you know, when you're playing like a video game or something and you haven't like fed the character enough. Oopsie daisy, we forgot to get Jim some more chicken and he's like, you know, keeled over. So he's been sent back to his bed or whatever. But 7, 7, combining everything. Side hustles and hobbies. I've chosen about 20. Started. And then I'll never finish. Just like me, you could also end up on Craft Mountain. It sounds joyous, lovely. I would say it's stressful and now like my wardrobe's just full of crafts rather than clothes. She tried everything. Do you start with? What would you do? Apart from sewing, I can't do sewing. I'm horrendous at sewing. I've done painting and pens. Clay's also not a great thing for me. I don't think I could make a play. I don't think this was helpful. I think it just made me more confused. I don't have a plan. Like, do you have a plan for the next 5 years? I don't know what I'm meant to be doing for the next 5 years. I don't have a plan for dinner in 20 minutes, let alone, oh my God, what am I doing in 5 years? Oh, the wrinkles are already starting. I'm panicking for both of us. I made us both panic. I'm so sorry. Actually, you know what? Do what makes you happy. You do you. You do you. My dog, she collects socks. That makes her happy. Just like Dobby. I just ended it on Dobby, did I? Really? Oh, great.